Welcome to the project demonstration of Anteater, challenging your automatic negative thoughts. Automatic negative thoughts plague a lot of people in their normal daily lives and are a big drain on their motivation and enthusiasm to carry on with their regular lives. This project is aimed at developing an infrastructure for patients to be able to deal with their negative thoughts and also enables the support environment, including the psychologist, to be able to intervene and help patients deal with their psychological issues. In this project, the first component is a mobile application that enables patients to record their negative thoughts and then subsequently challenge them by asking difficult questions and answering these questions. This hopefully will lead them to a resolution of their negative thoughts and be able to overcome their problems. Now, as each recording of their challenges are done on the mobile device using our application, the information is recorded and then uploaded to a server to be subsequently made available to the psychologist helping the patient. Uh, Given access to these records of the negative thoughts, we will be able to carry out big data analysis in order to find patterns of thoughts among individual patients as well as large groups of patients, and then identify the typical problems that are plaguing people. Subsequently, we can design appropriate intervention strategies through the help of psychological experts in order to address the problem appropriately and then come up with coping strategies for the patients. This approach enables us to provide scalable method of reaching out to large number of people that require psychological help. Now, in the next step, we will demonstrate the mobile application that is an important component of this project. As you can see from the mobile application that is shown in the device screen here, it keeps track of a record of all my negative thoughts and subsequently allows us to browse these records so that we can see how we were able to deal with our negative thoughts in the past and how we resolve these negative thoughts. In addition, anytime we have to deal with a negative thought, we would be able to record our negative thoughts by going through a step by step procedure. First, typing in our negative thoughts. So, for example, I can, and then subsequently go on to challenge our negative thoughts by asking um, appropriate questions and then trying to find reasons to prove that this negative thought is not a valid approach to deal with our problems. So, for example, I can ask a question like, am I being realistic? And subsequently challenge these negative thoughts. After going through a set of questions, we can then record what kind of a negative thought it is. For example, in this particular case, I might say I'm focusing on the negative aspect of my thought. And subsequently, we will ask ourselves the question on how we would resolve this thought. So, for example, what can I say to help me deal with the thought? And then hit a resolution and then save my record for future access. Okay, and subsequently at any given point of time, I can go in and then view my records of my past negative thoughts and then how I actively challenged the negative thought and then was able to come to a resolution on these thoughts. Now, this exercise, what is referred to in the psychological terms as a thought record, enables patients to actively participate in overcoming their problems.